just a little girly snack before the flight. Boarding. We are now flying. I want to cry.
Thank you for flying Emirates. We hope you enjoy your flight and we look forward to it.
I look like death, but we're here in Dubai. Now we're looking for our gate. We're not really hungry, but
Just saw Five Guys
we just saw Five Guys.
on the way to our gate.
This is their small.
Small, ano? Yeah, we're just sharing one small fries and then it's like a whole ass.
It's supposed to be a mini burger. We are currently freshening up in a CR here.
Obviously.
Okay, so after I wash my face, I'm gonna go ahead and open my little cute little makeup kit here. My group essence. Tuon niya sa lago dito. Like, pat it on my face so ever so gently because I'm so gentle. Oh, wow na daw ta.
Lagi lang natin.
Netherlands, we're going to.
Where they going?
Ay, si Rumble still skin. Netherlands, okay, 8:13. Flight time 4:03 a.m. at Emirates.
Number 2. Good night. We're gonna get a fricadelle. How does it work?
Still. Then press a button.
And as you open it. Hello.
Hey, this is the one. This is the
Maybe any? We want our fricadelle. Is it good? Beef croquette.
Beef croquette.
The trim. Okay. First, finally settled in. Oh my god. Now we're gonna go get coffee somewhere.
Yeah.
Here we are just eating at what are we? Where are we?
Monk's Coffee Roasters. This is our first
Coffee. in
coffee.
Amsterdam.
Yeah. Day one.
I mean, good coffee.
Girl, yeah, that coffee in the airport.
It's cinnamon.
Cinnamon bun. Cinnamon bun. I can't wait to try cardamom bun. Yeah.
ka lang.
This is what we came here for. Just dilly-dallying, but in Amsterdam.
Basically what we do in Cebu.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the grocery store, get some essentials. And then walk around some more, I guess. Until we go to the Heineken store. That is the one we're going to. Albert Heijn. This is our view right now.
I mean, like, search it. Yeah?
Look at this. I'm so happy. It's the Anne Frank house.
So they can happily dance their way through the centuries to come.
We changed outfits to be more comfy for the Heineken experience. So we're on our way to go to the train station. Yeah, it's gonna be our first train. Asa? Ready? Hindi ba ika? Story of our life, guys. Here. Okay, this is Jojo.
My eyes are so oily. This is not plastic.
She's a crazy. Yeah.
Museum sa ta.
Hindi sa ako.
Yung top sa dyan.
1.9 km. Okay, let's start. Going to Vondel Park. Yes, we are. The car's gonna run. I'm gonna We'll
trying
see.
to just walk.
Depends on how soon we can get there. This week, I want breakfast at 7 or 7:30 because we need to get ready because we have a duck thing at 9. Since you have to get ready around 8, since you have to finish breakfast around 7 or 7 or 7:40. That means we have to be back here at 7. Yeah.
I was just not listening.
So quiet. It's so quiet.
There's no one here, just morning walk. We have arrived at the park. This is it. Ano na siya yung maglagan dali? Are you running now? Oh.
Oh my god, so excited. We're in that.
Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw
Yeah, like a spice, like cardamom, like honey in the end.
Yeah, it's for sure a high sweetness here.
Go, Kylie, go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie.
This allows to close basically the flavor. It is to, from one side, to open the what is called, I think, pores.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I've drunk one coffee. Milkshake. No, wala ko na po nag-iod. Hamilton, when America sings for you, you know what you overcame. Oh, so now, stop.
Yeah, stop. We are done with the dock showroom, and now we're just waiting for the train
To the Rijksmuseum, right? Museum.
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now, so it's fun.
Yeah, we were in the wrong area at
we were like
first.
waiting.
Train we were supposed to ride past, just past us.
Yeah,
And now we're waiting for another one.
so fun. Yes. Why so many jumping?
Hello. We're about to go in the Rijksmuseum. Rembrandt, Vermeer, Versprok, Paul's Van Gogh,
Whoa, Schwartz.
Rig. just waiting for the return of the museum.
It's 2:30 and our turn is at 3. We can get in at 3.
So now we're just watching seagulls,
and
a heron,
and a crow.
Amazing detail!
on the hunt for Stroopwafels.
Sorry? Famous Stroopwafels. Yung may angry yung part na ayun. Mahal. Maybe 3 out of 10. 3 out of 5.
Alright, so we came from the Rijksmuseum, and then I was like, I'm craving Stroopwafels. And here we are. It's a more bustling city, and I rated
7 out of 10.
yeah, or like a 6.5 maybe. But it's probably good with coffee.
Pero, sauce. Sorry na lang yun.
So we got Ate Kari's craving of choice, the fries. This one is with truffle sauce and parmesan. We almost got attacked by seagulls. See them. It's good.
I didn't work it. Oh, more than okay, Heineken. Kami yung sauce. Kami yung fry itself.
That's where we are right now. Fishing by the canal. Just like the locals do. Oh my god, it's like spraying on our fries. Magbantay na kayo. Nagdudulo siya. I'm looking at you. We can see you right there.
Watch the movie.
Yes, we watched The Materialist.
It's 11 o'clock p.m. girl.
Yep, as a random choice.
And now it's like a 5 p.m. I mean like 6 p.m. in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Sun ba? I mean ang vibes. Look at that.
Oh, right,
Wag already set ang
Girl,
sun.
it's 11 and it looks like it's
It's just like
6
6 p.m. or like
in-
5:30 or like sunset pa ba?
yeah. Alright, this is very impulsive decision to watch a movie.
Materials.
We were scared that it's gonna be dubbed in Dutch and we were just wasted money. But it turned out just subtitles, so
It was okay. I'm happy I watched it.
it was a new experience. Just
Yeah, I just wanted to try some cinema in here.
like our new country.
In a new country.
It's nice.
Yeah, like, weird ang mga katawan sa mga tao.
Like,
So,
now we're gonna go home now.
Ooh,
Diba, Pringles?
maganda ako jacket.